Hey vlog, welcome back to the channel. I'm a little upset right now because my nail broke, but let's get started with this video. All right, y'all, so I am headed to my grandfather's house. I don't want to keep showing y'all my nail, but I'm headed to my grandfather's house and I am going to spend a day with him. So, call me. Also, let me slow my butt down because I have gotten 2 tickets in 2 months. And they say I've been speeding in these school zones. So, let me slow down. I don't have time for another ticket coming my way. Georgia, count your days. Because y'all should not be giving me a ticket. So, let me slow down. This is a 45 speed limit. And I'm sitting at 44, maybe 45. So let me just slow down. So this car, they feel the need that I'm going to slow. Go around me, boo. Go around me, boo. Because I won't be getting another ticket. All right. So I will catch y'all later when I'm down and I'm with my granddad. See, they just went around me. Thank you. Y'all see him? I bet you I won't be getting a ticket. Vlog, I'm with my granddad. Say hey, granddad.
What?
Say hey.
Say hey to who?
Just say hey. we matching, granddad. We matching a little bit. We are at Fried Green Tomato, y'all. Happy Friday, granddad. What you say? It's Fish Friday?
Yeah.
Fish Friday. All you can eat. I love a good buffet. You know, they never steer you wrong. So we're going in. Fried green tomato. Y'all see my GQ pop? Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Come on.
We saved you some food. That's a very handsome sweater you got on.
Renee, you just running your mouth. What y'all talking about? Alright, y'all. So we about to eat. I'll pick up later at the table. Y'all, this is what I had got. Green beans, broccoli, barbecue chicken. My granddad got water. He's up there. I'm gonna show y'all the buffet in a few seconds. Give me like 5 minutes, maybe 10. He's eating sweet potatoes, cabbage, and that broccoli cheese casserole good too. Let's see how much you like it. You gotta cut the cabbage up.
Yeah.
It's tough.
I don't like them big old leaves.
Okay.
Okay, baby.
You don't like them big old leaves? Or you just can't chew them? Which one? Which one? You can't chew them or you just...
Yeah, both of them. Both. I don't want to chew them.
Y'all, I'm about to put my application in for the jingles too. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I know they say it's a storm coming, so we made it to Kroger to get some groceries. You want the ribs for $14? Y'all, I'm just now making it home and your girl gotta hold these groceries. Child. Now, while we was in the grocery store, it's supposed to be a winter storm carrying. Who tries to hold all the groceries at once, y'all? So you won't have to do a second trip to the car. Let me know. But why there was like, hold on, y'all. Y'all probably gonna see me. Because I'm trying to touch the thing. But why was there no bread? The shelves were empty. Honey, I almost got the last bread. I'm about to fall. But, y'all are going crazy over the food in the stores. Georgia always do this. Like, what if the lights go off? What if the lights go off, y'all? How you gonna save your food? Let me know. People do the most. And your girl can't even shop for bread. But let me put my groceries up, y'all. Get settled in the house, and I'll let y'all know what I'm doing later. Y'all, I am so mad. My selfie stick broke, y'all. Come on now, bruh. And this is why you can't be cheap. You know, you're trying to be cheap. Just get a small selfie stick from Five and Below. Now I gotta actually go to Target. Go to Target, y'all. But let's look at the groceries I bought. Where's my granddad's shrimp? My granddad left his shrimp. I need to call him and let him know. These my go-tos, y'all. Me and my mother, we came and paid our respects to a fellow church member who died, y'all. So sad. She was a great person. Look at my mama, y'all. That little short self. Say hey to my vlog, mom. Told y'all my folks don't like being on my camera. Girl, can't nobody see you limping.